If you're working with a team in ProofHub, assigning tasks correctly helps everyone stay organized and accountable. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to assign tasks in ProofHub step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your ProofHub account and open the project that contains the task you want to assign. Then, navigate to the Tasks section. If the task already exists, click to open it. If not, create a new task first by entering a title and any necessary details. Inside the task details, look for the assignee or assigned to field. This is where you'll choose who is responsible for completing the task. Click the assignee field and select the appropriate team member from the list. Make sure you choose the person who will be responsible for completing the work. To help your teammates stay on schedule, set a realistic due date. You can also adjust the task priority if your workspace supports that feature. Before saving, include any important instructions, checklists, files, or links the assignee may need. Providing complete information reduces confusion later. Once everything is ready, save the task. The assigned team member will now be responsible for completing it and may receive a notification depending on your workspace settings. You can monitor progress by opening the task at any time. Team members can update the status, leave comments, upload files, and mark the task as completed. And that's how to assign tasks in ProofHub. Yeah, assigning tasks with clear deadlines and detailed instructions helps your team stay productive and keeps every project moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.